It's like Miss America. If you don't put world peace.
Listen, you can be born again.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever come, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me?
I love putting jam on my grilled cheese. This is just how I grew up. It's how my dad always did it. It's how my cousins always did it. Usually I do strawberry jam, but I have this like other little jam that I picked from the farmer's market. And so I'm gonna enjoy my lunch.
In the city, remember you used to drive a Yukon. I pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot in Tucson, like, are you with me? In the phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron.
Literally. It's like Miss America. If you don't put world peace. I learned more about her. Honestly, yeah.
Yeah. It is, I just finished my workout. Like I finished my workout at 8 and I'm just editing my first vlog that is supposed to go up tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. So that's really exciting. And honestly, I'm tired, but not as tired as I have been. So I actually took today off just because I have been so exhausted between like moving and work. It's just been like crazy. I also trimmed my hair so it's a little better shaped. But I've just been exhausted. Life is moving along. This week will be fun though. Maybe. Last week was also busy. I did a habitat build. I volunteered over the weekend. So it was just very, very busy. I am probably going to work tomorrow though. I was going to take tomorrow off too, but I'll just work from home, get some work in tomorrow, and then I guess we'll see. Because y'all, I've been exhausted. So good morning. I'm going into the office today. I'm a heels girl and jeans though. I don't think you can see my jeans, but I'm a heels and girls jeans and heels girl almost every day that I have to go into the office. And since I have to go in today, I don't honestly have to go in. No, I do have to go in, but I'm especially going in because I volunteered over the weekend with a STEAM weekend for the local, I think it was the Frisco, Jack and Jill area. So yeah, I volunteered at that over the weekend, and the woman who led it is taking those to lunch. So that means I'm gonna get my free lunch. So let's see how the hair is looking. I just banded the back of my hair. Ooh, child, I'm tired. Okay, I don't hate the way that my hair is looking, and it didn't take very long to do. So I just banded the back, and then I literally put like 2 very loose ponytails up front, and as you saw, it accounted for nothing by the time I took off this bonnet. I do have these little braids here, which I'm just gonna cover up. Let's do some makeup and then head out for work. Alrighty, makeup is on, lips aren't done. I always put on gloss in the car because I am rushing. And yeah, we are good to go. Computer healed. Let's go pack my bag. All right, let's go to work.
Listen, you can be born again. You can be made new. On the mix, mate. As a light in a dark land, since I was placed in iron.
of nations and cast thy enemies away. You're standing up within me, so that they may be saved. We're resting the field. We're resting, we come and we go. We can't stand it. For the devil is defeated. We are dead. Come and lead us to God only, but no confidence in man. Everything that does concern me, you place it in his hand. So our hopes rise up against thee to try and spoil the day. There is sin we're on to harm thee, but thankfully we're resting the field. We're resting the field. We're resting, we come with go. We say down every storm of sickness and poverty. For the devil is defeated. We are dead. You know that God's word. We know that God. We know that God. For the truth and righteousness. Here is children. We are we're resting the sea. Yeah. We cast down every stronghold. Sickness and poverty must cease. Right now the devil is defeated. Say, we are dead. We are dead. Yeah. Come on. Our God is an awesome. We come and we go. Speak it down. Hey, hey, hey. For the devil is. Put your hands together. Say, we're resting the city. We're resting the field. We're resting, we come and we go. Yeah. For the devil is. Take it up, say, we're resting the city. Come on. Our God is an awesome God. When we go, we cut down every slide against it. For the devil is defeated. Yeah. Everybody say, bless, 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 Just you wait.